So what's in the box? This is one of those long story short type of things, so I'll just do a 15-second recap. I got the GoPro subscription, got my old broken Hero 5 replaced through their replacement program. They said they were sending an 8, but they really sent a 9, which I'm giving away to one of you guys when this channel hits 25,000 subscribers. Then I had this genius idea of hitting a golf ball with a GoPro. Although I did try to protect it using waterproof housing, but that ended up failing, sending it out like over 100 yards, hitting the only rock in the field, just breaking it. So I submitted my second GoPro replacement of the year, and again, they even waived the replacement fee, which was really nice of them. And so this came back a week later. Like, this was really quick. Okay, all caught up? All right, let's open the box.
Mr. Black.
By the way, I should say, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way. And I know there's been a lot of GoPro content lately, and there's still a lot more GoPro content to make, but I do have some other really cool action camera stuff, some travel things that are happening, and if you are new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. And everybody who's not a stranger, I really appreciate your support. You're helping this channel grow, and that really means a lot to me, so thank you so much. Also, do check down in the description for links to everything I'm talking about today, including some awesome GoPro accessories and coupon codes, and a surprise link. Now, a good question you're probably asking is why am I even making a video about this unboxing a replacement GoPro? And that is a good question, but it's really just to put you at ease for the subscription service, knowing that the replacement program works. Maybe, we'll see. But the GoPro support and the chat just made it really easy and just hassle-free. And I do have to note that this replacement program doesn't work in every country, so you do have to check it out to see if it's available in your country. All right, here we go. See, it doesn't say Hero 10 on here, so let's just go for it. There it is, Hero 10 replaced. Just like that. Good as new. So, yeah, no surprises there. Let's see. Feels good, looks good. Remember, these are the best SD cards you can get. When you do buy a GoPro, get these SD cards. They have worked perfect for me. All right, well, everything seems to be working. The screen works really well. Sound works. I guess time will tell. Well, everything looks good on my end. Sorry if that was a little bit anticlimactic, but dude, I'm excited. I mean, I used this thing to hit a golf ball and I got it replaced for free within a week. So I can't complain about that. That's really awesome. And that's great customer service. So now you know the whole story. And remember, I'm giving away the 9 when I hit 25,000 subscribers. You know, maybe I should give away the 10 when I hit 50. If that ever happens, that would be awesome. But I will post a video about that giveaway coming up and a lot more other GoPro videos and some other action camera videos and just a lot more videos happening on this channel all the time. So stay tuned. I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.